Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to set ringtone or set customized ringtone in Oppo K10 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, you should subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the Play Store in order to download the customized ringtone application. So I recommend you to download Zedge application. So I am using this application for the past 5 years. So it's a very useful application to download wallpapers and ringtones for free of cost. And click the open. Now we need to select on the ringtones. Now you can see lot of ringtones available here. You can see by category wise also. So you want to download any of them. Also you can preview them. So if you want to preview, you need to click on the play button. If you want to download this ringtone, you need to click on the letters and click the download button. So you can directly set the ringtone, notification tone, alarm tone and contact ringtone, or you can save to your phone also. Now I choose the set ringtone. It will ask for permission and allow to modify system settings and come back. Now the ringtone is set successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. Like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.